Lactanet proudly offers dairy farmers and non-producer affiliates a new dairy cattle traceability program called DairyTrace to provide prosperity, protection, and peace of mind to the Canadian dairy industry, its producers, and its customers. Meeting federal regulations and proAction requirements for traceability has never been so easy as a DairyComp user. You have the unique ability to both record and report traceability directly to DairyTrace through your DairyComp program. There are only a few simple steps to get DairyComp set up to record and report to DairyTrace, so let's get started. First, you will need to create a DairyTrace account on the DairyTrace website. Should you require help setting up your account, please contact DairyTrace customer service. For DairyComp users that have not yet set up traceability in their program, please contact one of our DairyComp support team members after you have made your account with DairyTrace. Please have your account details on hand, including the DairyTrace account number, username and password you made when you set up your DairyTrace account, as well as your farm's premise ID. If your DairyComp program does have traceability already installed, you need to first run a web update by going to the Help menu, selecting Check for Updates, and following the prompts. Once the web update is completed, go to the Traceability Manager under File and select the Default Settings tab. You may or may not see your old CLTS account information in the boxes shown here, but no need to worry as we're going to update this information anyways. In the Stakeholder Account Number box, enter in your new DairyTrace account number starting with DT, and be sure that DT is in uppercase or caps, and not in lowercase. Lastly, enter in your DairyTrace username and password in the next two boxes. It is very important that these three pieces of information match exactly with what is on your DairyTrace account, so take extra care when entering in your account details. Do keep in mind that it will become mandatory for all dairy producers across Canada outside of Quebec to report traceability information to DairyTrace in late 2021. Being proactive and getting traceability set up in your DairyComp program prior to that date will set you up for success when it comes time to report your data. To get traceability set up in your DairyComp program after you've created your DairyTrace account, or for any other questions regarding traceability, please call to speak with one of our DairyComp support team members today.